Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Dattatre Bhagat and today is 5th of July 2022 and it's my original video. So our today's topic is arrays in Java. So basically as we know Java is a purely object oriented programming language. So whatever we are doing in Java is an totally object based. So in Java arrays we are having an arrays. So basically first of all, we will see what is meant by arrays. So, arrays in Java uh, uh, is an data type in which we are storing say similar types of elements into one contiguous memory location. So that is meant by arrays. So means we are storing we are having an object in which we are storing a similar types of elements. Then it is called as array. So the data type should be similar. So we can store it in a bulk. So like if we are having the multiple like we are having an integer data type, at that time we are storing it in different variables. So rather than storing different Java provides an feature of arrays in which we can store all elements together. So basically Java follows an index based. So Java arrays, the index starts from 0 and the first element in the Java array starts from 0 and further on continues. So in Java arrays, we can store the similar types of element, and also we can access the elements on the index base. So basically in Java, like similar in C++ and C, we are having the same feature of Java. And suppose the syntax of declaring an array is we can also give elements directly by declaring into the arrays. So for directly declaring the arrays, we are having like syntax and integer. Suppose we are having an integer array, at that time integer the data type, then the array name, then the square braces is equal to, and if we will have to direct declare the array, at that time we are using curly braces, and in that array similar types of elements and bracket close and semicolon. And if we'll have to give the just length of the array, at that time the syntax for that is an data type, then array name square braces is equal to new data type, and in square braces the length of the array. So basically we have to provide the length of the array. So for accessing the array elements, we can access on int a of I is equal to, or int a of 0 is equal to, a of 1 is equal to, a of 2 is equal to, like this and further on. And in arrays, in Java, in from Java 8, we are having an for each loop. So basically this for each loop has been introduced for accessing the array elements. So when we are doing working on arrays, at that time we are having an separate provision of for each loop. So in this for each loop we are iterating the elements. So basically in Java arrays we are having two types of arrays. That is, first one is an one dimensional array and second one is an multi-dimensional array. So when we are dealing with an one dimensional arrays, at that time we are having just row based. But when we are dealing with an multi-dimensional arrays, we are having then row based and column based. So basically row based and column based, then we have to provide the syntax for multi-dimensional arrays are data type, then data type array name, and then square braces, double square braces is equal to new data type, and the length of the size or length of the arrays. So we are having different methods in the array, like array dot length. Like this, we are having different methods also for just seeing the arrays, and also we are having the clone method in arrays. So basically, this clone method is used to create an replica of our original array. So this clone method is used, and also in Java arrays, we are having the disadvantages of size limit, as we cannot dynamically we cannot provide a size to the arrays, but in collection this disadvantage is also minimized in collection when we are dealing with an array list. So we will see that later on. So basically, this the main disadvantages of arrays are that size limit. Dynamically, we cannot provide the size of the array. Once the array is declared, this size has been fixed. So this is drawback of the arrays. So this is all about arrays. Thank you.